Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Bryson from Haminations and Skibidi Toilet. It's going to be easy, simple, for beginners, so let's get started right now. Okay, let's go with that mixture of Bryson from Haminations and Skibidi Toilet, alright? So let's hop right into it, okay? Super easy. Okie doke. And the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with kind of Bryson's eyes. So I'm going to go right here. Kind of like a, I don't know, like an N shape of, I guess, of some sorts. So I'm going to right here. Go over here on this side, same thing. Line underneath, line underneath. And we can fill this out. Fill this out over here. Alright, so far we got his eyes. Curve underneath. And curve along the side of the mouth. Curve along the side of the mouth. And a line underneath here for kind of his smile, or yeah, mostly a smile. Line down these vertical lines. Can I give him that cheesy smile? Curve right here for his swooping hair. And line like so. Curve around here for the side of his head. Curve over here for the bottom of his head, right there. Alright, we're doing pretty good so far, okay? So stay with me. Like I said, if you like Haminations or if you like Skibidi Toilet, hit that like. It makes a huge difference to the channel. Huge. Just takes less than a second. Go over there, hit that like right now. Hit it right now, if you can. Gonna go over here. Curve for the inside of his hair. Curve over here. Curve up. It's kind of like that S curve, right, for his hair. Curve in. We're going to throw another S curve. Pulling in. And another S curve. Down here connecting with that point, right? He's got this stylish hair. Gonna go down here. Down. Curve up for his neck. And now we're going to draw the Skibidi Toilet part, alright? So let's kind of hop into that. More or less a straight line around here where his head's sticking out. Curve. Curve. We're going to keep it going with another curve. Around that. And then fill it in. Alright. Back seat of the toilet here. Back seat of the toilet. And I'm going to make it maybe go around a little bit over his head. Nothing too far. So curve over here. And curve over here. So we get that toilet seat up right there. Actually, we're going to widen this out a little bit more. There you go. Curve down. for the bowl. Line out, line out. Down over here, curve underneath. All right. Don't forget, by the way, there is, if you think it's kind of cute, there is a cute drawing ebook that is in the description. Basically, what was going on is for $30, I was teaching, everyone how to draw something cute. Thought ebook was the best way to do it. It's easy. You can print it out. I sized it out so that you just press print and it comes out. It's 20 pages. Everything you see that's cute, 90% of the time has the same exact formula. And I just put that in an ebook. And that was kind of the idea I had. I was like, okay, let me just put this there for a reference tool that anybody can have. I'm an artist, and I know you are too, so I don't like reading anything. So there's very minimal writing. It's all charts, right? Like the head is a certain proportion bigger than the body. Or, how big is that proportion, right? What are the curves of lines that you should use? All of that stuff is in that ebook. It was like $40, $30 or $40. And it was great, honestly. Since you found this video, though, this is 100% free for you. You can download it right now if you want. Just go down to the description. It's right there somewhere. You have to find it. That's the only catch. Find it. Cute drawing ebook. It's called the Cute Starter. And it is yours for free. And you could get it right this second. So, that's my gift to you. And that's pretty much it. So, it's not going to be free forever, so go down there and get it if you're thinking about it, because like I said, it's 100% risk-free. You can just download it to your computer now. But all right, let's get back into the drawing. I'm going into the back, that tank part of the toilet. So I'm going to go over here, pull out, up, pull out over here, up over here a little bit, across, down over here, up, across over here, down, pull in. So we have that tank in the back, which is, like I said, very, very important. And I want that handle on the toilet. I don't know if I should put it in the front or the side, but I'm going to put it in the front over here. Where you press that lever? Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw a line here underneath, like a thin line over here to kind of give it a little bit of form and some of that. And that's pretty much it. That is it. What I want you to do is I want you to stay here, and I want you to do another video with me, okay? Let's go into another video lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.